In this video, I am going to discuss octal addition and subtraction by using 7s and 8s complement method. Octal addition by direct method. To add 345 and 132 in octal method. So I am adding these two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 1 is 4. This is normal octal addition. Now let's see octal subtraction by direct method. That means we are not using the complement method. So subtract 358 from 592. So first 372 and 453 is written. Now I'm starting with the LSB positions. 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 here minus is smaller. So I'm going to get carry from the higher order bit. So 7 is changed to 6. And now this position is changed to 10. Now let's see how it's changed to 10. That means getting carry from this position. Carry is normally we used to say 1. But here in this octal case the carry is 1 is equal to 8. So I'm adding 2 plus 8. So this number changed to 10. So now 10 minus 3 is 7. Next 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 3 minus 4. Again minus is smaller case arises. So I'm getting the carry. That means I'm adding 3 with the plus side. So this will change to 11. Now 11 minus 4 is 7. This is the answer. Now subtract 776 from 1066. Now I'm written 1066 and minus 776. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Now 6 minus 7, that is minus is smaller. So I'm getting carry from this position. This position is 0, so I'm getting carrying from this next higher order bit 1. So this one changed to 0 and this position is changed to 7 and this position is going to 8. Now 8 is added with 6. Then this value is minus 7. The answer we will get as minus 7. So here 7 minus 7 is 0. So this is the way to subtract in direct method. Sevens and eights complement method. The sevens complement method procedure is same as ones complement method. And eights complement method procedure is same as twos complement method. The following steps are used to subtract a number using sevens complement method. First, find the sevens complement of the subtrahend. Next, add the sevens complement with the minor. If there is any carry present, then add the carry to the result. Then the result is a positive number. If there is no carry, find the sevens complement of the result. Then the result is a negative number. The following steps are used to subtract a number using 8's complement method. Find the 8's complement of the subtrahend, then add the 8's complement with the minus. Then if there is any carry present, ignore the carry and the result is a positive number. If there is no carry, then ignore the carry. Then find the 8's complement of the result. Then the result is a negative number. Now let's see subtraction using 7's and 8's complement method. First see 7's complement method. So we have to find the 7's complement of 353. So 7's complement we have to obtain by subtracting 353 from 77. This is a 3 bit, so 3 times 777 is written. So 777 minus 353. This is the way to get 7's complement. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. This is the 7's complement method. Now for getting the 8's complement method, we are adding plus 1 to the 7's complement answer. That is the 8's complement. So the first we are subtracting 353 from 777. We will get the answer is 424. Now this is the 7's complement of 353. Now we are adding plus 1 to obtain the 8's complement value. So the answer is 4 plus 1 5 2, 4. The answer for 8's complement is 4 to 5. Subtract 372 from 453 using 7's complement method. This is the direct method. The answer is 61. Now let's start do with the 7's complement method. So first we have to take the 7's complement of subtrahend. So the 7's complement of subtrahend is this one. Subtrahend is 372. So first I am doing 7's complement of subtrahend. So 777 minus 372. I am getting the answer is 405. Now I am adding this 405 with the minus 453. So 5 plus 3, 8. And so 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is equal to 1 0 in the octal. Let's see, check with your octal table. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 1 0. So some 0 is written here and 1 is added with this next higher order bit. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now 4 plus 4 is again 8, that is equal to 1 0 in octal. So the 1 0 6 0 is an adder. This is a 3 bit, but we are getting answer in the 4th bit. So the 4th bit is a carry bit. So in the 7's complement method, if any carry is present, we have to add with the LSB bit. So I'm adding plus 1. So my answer is 61. So here direct method also we got 61. Here also we got 61. Now we will subtract 453 from 372. Here minus is smaller and subtrahend is bigger. First we will discuss with the direct method, then we will do with the 7's complement method. In the direct method, we are subtracting 372 minus 453. So 2 minus 3. So minus is smaller. So we will get borrow from the next higher order bit. So this bit will change to 6 and here we are adding 2 plus 8. So the answer is 10. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. Now here the bit is 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Now again minus is smaller. We are getting borrow from the higher order bit. So this bit we are adding with plus side. So plus 8 plus 3 it's 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7. This is a answer. But here carry is present. So we have to discard the carry. In this minus and smaller cases arises, we have to take the 8's complement of the answer again. So first get the 7's complement of 717. 7's complement of 717 is we are getting subtracting 717 from 777. So the answer is 60. Then we are adding with the plus 1 to get the 8's complement. So the answer is 61. So when minus and smaller cases arises, we need to take the 8's complement of the answer with negative sign. So minus 61. This is the direct method, direct octal method to perform the addition. Now let's discuss with 7's complement octal addition. So first we will get the First, we will get the 7's complement of subtrahend. So 7's complement of subtrahend 453 is this one. So 777 minus 453. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we are adding this 7's complement value with the minus. So we are adding these two. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9, that is 11 in the octal number. So in the 11, one we are writing here and another one we are adding with this higher order bit. So 6, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is 716. Now here minus is smaller case. So what we have to do is we have to take, that means here no carry. If no carry is present, we need to take the 7's complement of the answer with negative sign. So I am finding the 7's complement of 716, that is equal to 61 and with minus sign. Subtract 461 from 256. First, we are going to perform with a direct method. So, 256 minus 461. Here, the minute is smaller one and the 461 subtrahend is the larger one. First, let's start the subtraction from the LSB bit. So, 6 minus 1 is 5. Now, the second bit 5 minus 6. Here, minute is smaller. So, we are getting borrow from the higher order bit. So, 2 changed to 1. And now, we are adding 5 plus 8 equal to 13. And 13 minus 6 equals 7. Now, this 1 is added with 8. Uh, so, 8. So, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And the carry is discarded. When minus is smaller case, we have to take the 8's complement of the answer with my negative sign. So, I am going to take 7's complement first. So, 7, 7, 7 subtract with 5, 7, 5. So, 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. Now, this is the 7's complement of 575. Now, I am going to add plus 1 to the LSB bit. This will make 8's complement with negative sign. This is the procedure to obtain with direct. Next, the same questions we are going to perform with 8's complement method. So for that, first I'm going to take 7's complement of subtrahend 461. So 777 minus 461. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is 7's complement of 461. Now I'm going to add plus 1 to the LSB position. So answer is 317. This is the 8's complement of subtrahend. Now I'm going to add 8's complement of subtrahend 317 with minute. So 256 plus 317. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. In decimal, the equivalent octal is 15. So I am writing 5 here and adding the carry 1 to here. So carry 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. So when the minute is smaller 1, when the minute is smaller 1, what we have to do is we have to take the 8's complement of the answer with a negative sign. So first I am going to find the 7's complement of 575. 7's complement of 575 is 202. Now I am adding plus 1 to the LSB position. It will make 8's complement with negative sign. This is the way to perform subtraction using 8 complements in the octal numbers.